For years, Insta360 has been associated with compact cameras that prioritize portability, stabilization, and easy content creation. But the company could now be preparing to enter a much more competitive arena. Leaks reportedly point toward an interchangeable lens mirrorless camera known as the Insta360 Z-One, and this could be a major change in direction for the brand. Early images allegedly showed a compact white body with Z-One markings, while later photographs reportedly revealed the camera attached to an Olympus 14 to 42mm lens. That combination has led to widespread speculation that the Insta360 Z-One will use the Micro Four Thirds mount. If true, this would be a smart way for Insta360 to enter the mirrorless market. Building a brand new lens ecosystem is expensive and risky, especially for a company that has never previously produced a conventional interchangeable lens camera. Micro Four Thirds solves that problem immediately. The system already has a huge library of lenses from OM System, Panasonic, and third-party manufacturers. That means Insta360 could concentrate on the camera body, processing, stabilization, autofocus, and software instead of spending years developing lenses. The reported sensor could be a 20-megapixel Micro Four Thirds unit. Some leaked sample images reportedly carry a resolution around 5280 by 3956 pixels, while rumors have linked the camera to Sony's IMX472 sensor. If accurate, this would be an interesting choice because the sensor platform has already appeared in several MFT cameras. Insta360 could therefore be using a known quantity and putting its own technology around it. This strategy could be particularly important for the first generation of the product. Insta360 does not need to beat every established camera manufacturer in every category. Instead, it could take a reliable sensor and combine it with the technologies that have made its other products successful. Advanced stabilization, AI processing, intelligent autofocus, automatic subject detection, and powerful video features could become the real identity of the Z-One. The rumored pricing also makes the camera worth watching. Current leaks have suggested that the body could cost somewhere between $599 and $799. While that price has not been confirmed, it would position the camera as a relatively accessible option in the interchangeable lens market. More importantly, because it would reportedly use Micro Four Thirds lenses, buyers could build a kit gradually instead of needing to purchase an entirely new lens system. The mount itself could become one of the Z-One's biggest selling points. Reports suggest that Insta360 may use an active MFT mount with electronic contacts. If that is correct, compatible lenses could potentially support autofocus and electronic aperture control. That would be a huge improvement over a simple passive mount and would make the camera feel like a genuine part of the MFT ecosystem. This is important because the lens selection available for Micro Four Thirds is one of the system's greatest strengths. There are small lenses for travel, bright primes for low light shooting, wide lenses for landscapes and vlogging, macro lenses for close-up work, and long telephoto lenses for wildlife and sports. A new Z-One owner could potentially access all of those options without waiting for Insta360 to develop its own lineup. The video side of the camera could be where the company really separates itself. Insta360 has built its reputation through video-centric products, so it would be surprising if the Z-One were designed primarily as a stills camera. Leaked photographs reportedly show multiple microphones and large internal heat management components, suggesting that extended video recording may have been an important consideration during development. High-end video features can create significant thermal challenges in small camera bodies. If the rumors of 4K at 120 FPS are accurate, the Z-One would need effective cooling to sustain those recording modes. A strong thermal design could therefore be one of the less visible but more important features of the final product. FlowState stabilization could also be a major part of the experience. Insta360 has spent years refining stabilization for action and 360 cameras, and bringing that technology into a mirrorless system could create a powerful combination. Traditional cameras already offer optical or sensor-based stabilization, but Insta360 could potentially add computational stabilization designed specifically around video. That could make the Z-One particularly attractive to people who shoot handheld. Travel creators, vloggers, filmmakers, and documentary shooters often need to move quickly without carrying a tripod or gimbal everywhere. A compact interchangeable lens camera with strong stabilization could offer a very practical solution. The design reportedly supports that creator-first approach. Leaked images show a minimalist body that appears flatter than the typical DSLR-style mirrorless camera. There is reportedly no obvious EVF hump, which suggests Insta360 may be relying heavily on the rear display for composition. That could divide photographers. Traditional camera users often prefer an electronic viewfinder because it provides a more immersive shooting experience, particularly in bright sunlight. But for vloggers and social media creators, an articulating screen can be more valuable. It allows them to see themselves while recording and makes it easier to create vertical content or capture unusual camera angles. The physical controls could also make the Z-One more interesting. Leaks reportedly show multiple dials, including exposure controls and a front command dial. That would be a significant departure from Insta360's simpler action camera interfaces. It suggests the company may want the Z-One to appeal not only to casual creators but also to photographers who expect direct manual control. Autofocus could complete that package. Some leaked samples reportedly show face and animal detection, suggesting that Insta360 may be bringing its AI-based subject recognition technology into the mirrorless system. If the system performs well with interchangeable MFT lenses, it could make the Z-One a highly convenient everyday camera. Whether it becomes a genuine DJI challenger or a direct competitor to established MFT cameras will depend on the final implementation. But if the leaks are even partly accurate, the Z-One could be one of the most unconventional mirrorless cameras to arrive in 2026.